Let alpha and beta be such that pi less than alpha minus beta less than 3 pi. If sin alpha plus sin beta is minus 21 by 65 and cos alpha plus cos beta is minus 27 by 65, then find the value of cos alpha minus beta by 2. So this is also from the chapter trigonometric functions. So what we can do is, from this relation we have to find where will this angle lie. So pi is given that pi is less than alpha minus beta is less than 3 pi, which means that for finding this angle what we have to do, we have to divide all by 2. So this angle alpha minus beta by 2 is coming in the range pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2. You all know that this is the pi by 2 and this is 3 pi by 2. So this angle is coming in this range. In this range, cos alpha minus beta by 2 will be negative, because we know that this is what all students take coffee. So here sin is positive, here tan is positive, but cos is negative in both these quadrants. So this value should be negative. Now for solving, we have to use the equation for reducing this, that is sin alpha plus sin beta is what? 2 sin x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2, that is minus 21 by 65. Similarly, cos alpha plus cos beta is minus 27 by 65. That can be written as cos x plus cos y is what? 2 cos x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2. That is minus 27 by 65. Now we have these two equations. From these two equations, we have to derive this cos alpha minus beta by 2. So this can be derived if just look at these two equations. Here we have a sin x term, a cos x term. Here also cos x, here some cos y term is there, same cos y term is here. So if we square these two terms, what we will get? Here a sin square x term will come, here cos square x term will come, and if we add these two equations, what we will get? Sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. So we will be able to get away with this variable, that is alpha plus beta by 2 is not known to us, and we will get our answer in this form. So in order to get it, even there are so many other methods also, we can divide this equation and find. If we will divide, what we will get? Here this 2 will cancel, and here we will be getting tan alpha plus beta by 2, but we don't need tan alpha plus beta by 2. What we need is cos alpha minus beta by 2. So in order to get this, we have to check by doing what to these two equations, we will be able to get into that final solution. So for that, what I will do is I want to take away, I want to differentiate only this term from these two equations. For that, I see that this is sin x term and this is cos x term, and if I will square both these equations and add, I will get here sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1. That's why what I will do, I will square first equation and second equation, and then I will add. If I will square and add, these two terms will get away, and it will be, the answer will be 1, and what I will get? 4 will be coming from this both, that is 4 into here sin square alpha plus beta by 2 will come, plus, because I am adding these two equations, here cos square alpha plus beta by 2 will come, and in the bracket outside I will be having 1 cos square alpha minus beta by 2 will be there, and squaring and adding these two terms, I will get what? 21 square plus 27 square divided by 65 square. So from here sin square x plus cos square x is 1, this term will become 1. So for cos square alpha minus beta by 2 is equal to 21 square plus 27 square by 65 square, that will be coming as 1170 divided by 65 into 65. So what I got is for cos square alpha minus beta by 2 is equal to 1170 divided by 65 into 65. From here I will take a 4 to this side and I will simplify. I will be getting cos square alpha minus beta by 2 is equal to 9 divided by 130. From here I will take the square root and I will be getting cos. There are two possibilities of taking square root. Maybe I can root 9 is plus or minus 3, but I said you that this cos value should be negative in the quadrant which we are checking in, that is pi by 2 less than alpha minus beta by 2 less than 3 pi by 2. In this range, that means from here to here, I have cos value is negative in all this region. So I should take the negative square root, that is minus 3 divided by root of 130. So this is the answer.